Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin inside Unity with the input system ready. First, create or open your project and install the input system package. Enable it in player settings so touches register. Next, add an input action asset and define a primary touch action bound to touchscreen/primary touch and position. Create a script file to reference that asset. Make sure you have a game object to attach the script to. Once saved, you're ready to start coding touch handlers that will read touch phase and position. Now implement the core touch logic in your script. You'll subscribe to the input action or poll touchscreen. Current, touches each frame, use finger ID to distinguish touches. Convert the touch screen position to world coordinates with camera. Main, screen to world point so you can move sprites or raycast. In your handlers, branch on touch phase. Began, moved, and ended. Begin drag on began, update object position on moved using interpolation for smoothness, and release or trigger actions on ended. Make sure to unsubscribe on disable. Finish by polishing and testing on target devices. You'll add smoothing using Vector 3. Lerp, clamp movement to bounds, and tune sensitivity or dead zones to avoid jitter. Test both in Editor, Unity Remote or simulated touches, and on an actual phone to confirm multi-touch behavior and performance. If touches aren't detected, make sure the input system is active in project settings, bindings point to touchscreen. Primary touch and your script is enabled. If problems persist, inspect console logs and verify the camera used for screen to world point.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.